Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, I want to show you some new products that Bum Pretty has, and you guys know that they send me PR products, so I wanted to share with you guys the new ones. And Bum Pretty is very affordable, so that's why I like receiving them and sharing them with you. So this first product here is a 10-in-1 product. You can use it as a gel builder. You can use it as a glue for your nail tips. And basically that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use it as a glue for my nail tips. You can use it as a construction gel. You can use it as a builder gel if you don't want to use acrylic. It has a lot of use. It is amazing. The next product that we have here is a gel liner. They sent me two of these, different colors of course. The first one is this one, like a silver one with glitter. And what I like about this one is that it's very thick and you can do a French and use the whole brush, which it will work perfect. Mm, You can use it for the line, you can use it to fill in the whole fringe. The second one they sent me is this one, and I was kind of surprised about this color because it looks like a chrome silver. Look at that silver. It's like a crumb, it's like crumb powder, same thing. And this is I did some swatches later on. When I got them, that's why they're open, because I did swatches, I tried them, so that's how I know they're good. And the next one they send me is this paint gel, which they have a full line of different colors, and it's called the Painting Nail Gel Pro. And I like that color, like gold. It has a little bit of glitter, very beautiful color. The next one is this blue here, and it's like a dark blue color. I really really like it. And they also sent me this Bon Pretty brush, which is a liner brush, perfect for doing lines, for doing all kinds of designs with your nails. Very good. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my short. These are what, almond tips? I think they're almond tips, and they're not that short, but they're short. For me they are, they're like a medium size, let's just say. So the first thing I do, I make sure that I select the right size, of course. I make sure that the tip goes from side to side. That is not gonna leave some part of my nail without the tip, because it will look weird, trust me. The next thing I do, once I select the sizes, I will file inside the tip. This create a better adhesion between the tip and the product that I'm using as a glue. And what I do, I grab the lamp, and I make sure I don't start the lamp when I have the tip in my hand, because it can cure the product. I grab a little bit of the product and I put it on the back like this. Try not to put too much, because if you put too much, what's gonna happen is that when you put it in your nail, it's gonna come out of the size. So you gotta be very careful like this. It will take time for you to learn and to practice, of course, but make sure, if you're not sure how much you put in, just put like a little drop and then try it. If you need more, you always can put more. Before you will know before you cure. That's the whole idea. And I will go ahead and cure for about 60 seconds, and then it will leave me a nice nail. Now, the trick with this is you gotta make sure that you don't get bubbles. A lot of people ask why the bubbles, right? If you get bubbles, that means air. So what happened is that is you have a high possibility that the nail will start, how do you say that? Disconnecting, ungluing from the product easily from that side, and then it can create lift on your nail, and the nail eventually will fall off really easy. Another thing I like about this 10-in-1 product from Born Pretty is that the gel, the polish, it looks natural. It is like a very natural color, and it matches my skin tone, which I like. And I do the same thing on my other nail. As you guys can see, for some reason, I write with my right hand, and I find that when I do my left hand, always turns out perfect, like no bubbles or nothing. I wish I could say the same thing about the right hand, but that's not the case. But I really like it. I think that now with the prices being so expensive for nail, like if you go to a nail salon, I think this way of gluing your gel tips, it's so easy, and you don't spend a lot of money. And the good thing is, like, these nail tips, you can buy them everywhere, and as long as you have a glue a good glue system, like it could be from any brand as long as you know it's really good, it can help your nail last longer. Usually this nail should last like 21 days. Everything depends, of course, what you do for living, um, how it's gonna affect the duration of the glue in your nails. Normally for me, it lasts for about 21 days. And this is how they look. You see how the product looks like if it was my nail underneath, but it's actually the gel color. It's a very, very pretty color. I can definitely see this color use it as a. I can definitely see this color be used as a gel builder because it's a very natural nude color. So it's beautiful. I like it. So usually once I'm done, what I do is I file that thing on the tip of the nail, that usually has the number, or usually I don't know, maybe it's attached to where the nail would stick to it when it came from the package. So I'll just go over just to make sure they keep the almond shape. And one tip I'm gonna give you guys is don't use alcohol to clean it, because if you use alcohol, you're gonna have some white patches on your nail. I don't know why it happens. If somebody know, please leave it in the comment section why that happened. I hate that. So this is another new color from Born Pretty. They sent me this one a while ago. This one, I think this one was for the strawberry collection they had, and I love this collection because it's a bunch of new colors. Some of them are more pinkish, some of them are more nude. So the good thing is that they're very affordable, and you can do like 2 coats, 3 coats if you want. It depends how dark you want, but if you're going for an elegant nude look, you can do 2 coats and you'll be fine. And with this product, you're gonna cure it in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And another thing I do sometimes, not all the time, is like once I secure all my nail tips, when I flash cure them, I put my hand in the lamp again for 60 seconds in my other lamp, just to make sure they're secure and tight. You know what I mean? So after I do all that, I will go ahead and now I will use this red painting gel that I have. And what I try to do is I was thinking more of doing like a Valentine's Day look, but I didn't want to do anything crazy, I just want to do something simple. So I came up with this idea of just running the red color halfway, like you guys see now. It's very easy to do. Like you can obviously do like a French with this red. Of course, use the liner blush just to draw your line, and then use a thicker brush to do the whole nail. The gel paint is really nice. It's really thick. I didn't have any issue. I'm just going like that with the finger, just twisting my, just turning, not twisting, turning my finger around like this, just that I make sure that I'm covering all the way down the tip. Because sometimes this happens where you think you have covered the whole line, but then when you look going down, then you don't have color there, and it's because the way I'm positioned, the way the camera is. So I'm just trying to make sure I cover everything halfway, and then I will add the gold color underneath that red color. So you can easily go around that nail tip and build the other side red. You can do like, how do you call that, like half moon? You can do that. You can do like the French tip in red. I could have used the silver one because that one was nice, but since I'm gonna do this for Valentine, so let's just use the red. And it's very easy and simple. I didn't have any problem with the brush, so that's cool. And they're coming out with a lot of products, guys. If you're sleeping on Born Pretty, like, I don't know why, because it's very affordable. Number one, they have a lot of coupons. They also gave me a coupon if you guys want to use it as well. You guys can use it. I get a little bit of commission. I think, I'm not sure. I forgot. It's been a while now. If you guys use the coupon, I need discount money out of your purchase, so that's good. So now I decided to use the gold one and put it under the red like this. And I think it looks pretty elegant, right? So because it looks elegant, I wanted to put something else that can say it is a Valentine's nail tutorial, right? So while I was doing this, I was thinking, what what else I have, what else I can put, I if I put rhinestones, it's not gonna match in my opinion, right? So what I decided to do is look in my sticker collection and see what sticker will match the gold and the red, what sticker will look elegant, of course, because that's the whole point, to do like a Valentine's Day look slash elegant look. So I found this. They're not sticker because you have to put water on the back. I think, how do you call these, water decal stickers, I guess, I don't know. So these ones, a lot of people don't like water decal stickers, but I really like them. It just like, some of them are really hard to work with, especially when you put them in water. It takes a while. Others are like, when you remove the part that you want to put in your nail, it get like a little bit wrinkle on it. But I found a technique that works for me. So what I do, I put a little bit of water here and I put the sticker inside the water. Just give it a few seconds. You will know because you will see the part that you're going to put in your nail is going to move a little. See, you touch it, and when you touch it, you will see that it move a little. So that's when you grab it with your tweezers, just like that. Be careful because you can ruin it, trust me. And I found these tools right here. These tools, you can use it for a lot of things. And what I do, I press down the sticker and I also go around just to make sure that I take any wrinkles out. And I make sure, this is very, very important. I make sure that I take all the wrinkles out of the sticker and that there's no air on the sticker, that it's not like lifted. You know what I mean? Before, oh, and also that it's dry, very dry, before I decided to go with the top coat. Because if you don't make sure that it's really dry before putting top coat, or if the sticker is very, very glued to the tip, what's gonna happen is you're gonna put the top coat and it's gonna start lifting and it's gonna look weird. By you pushing down the sticker like I'm doing here, you are removing any water, you are removing any wrinkle, and then you wait a couple seconds. And if you have a fan, even better. So it can get a little bit dry before you put the top coat, right? So when I put the top coat, I try to do two coats just to, so it can cover really good the sticker. And I cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna use this Bone Pretty Super Top Coat, which is also good and is very shiny. So I'm gonna use that one. And as you guys can see, I bring you closer because I want you guys to see that the sticker are flat, are nice, they're not lifted, they're not wet, they are really nice, ready for the top coat. So I will go ahead and do two coats on the nails that only have stickers. In the other one, I will just do just one. There's no point of doing two, right? And then when I'm done, I cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And once I'm cured in the lamp, this is how they look. Look how pretty. It's a very simple design, guys. It's something that is not gonna take you an hour to get done. It's very easy. And then I just put cuticle oil so it can look very nice and pretty. And that's it, guys. That's all. All it takes is less than an hour and you will get these beautiful nails. Of course, it's going to take more because it takes practice. Practice, practice, and you have a nice nail set. And you don't need to pay like $70 in a nail shop. So I will encourage everyone here to try it. I encourage everyone to buy nail tips, try it, try with what you have first, and when you get better, then buy more nice, expensive products. Don't go in and buy everything expensive because if you try it the first time, you're gonna be like, ah, this doesn't work, and then you're gonna feel like you're stuck with expensive product, right? So I would highly encourage you guys to try to do your own nails. Try brands like Bun Pretty, which is very affordable, so you can get your nail done at a very good price and you can try it yourself. You can actually save money every month when you want to get your nails done. So let me know in the comment section what other videos you want to see next. I will be recording videos. They're not gonna come up often as before because I'm really busy at work, but I will always have a video up for you guys. Okay, so follow me on Instagram. I will link all the information for the products in the description box. I will link my Instagram and everything. Leave any comment recommendations. I will be reading them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.